Hi guys, the Galaxy A73 is gonna be the next upper mid-range device from Samsung, and it has some interesting specs. The launch is just around the corner, so there's a lot to talk about. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the Galaxy A73 is the successor to the A72 from last year, and it has quite a few interesting upgrades over the A72, one of which is the new 108 megapixel main sensor. The A72 had a 64 megapixel main sensor, and the A73 is getting a flagship level 108 megapixel sensor. Now, I don't think this is the same 108 megapixel main sensor that's on the S22 Ultra. It's most likely the first generation HM1 108 megapixel sensor. Either way, it's still a pretty good upgrade and will make for a much improved camera performance. Another huge upgrade is the processor. It's gonna be powered by the Snapdragon 778G, which will give about 60% performance improvement over the Galaxy A72. So games are gonna run smoother and better, and the power consumption should also be less than the A72, which should give even better battery life with the 5000 mAh capacity that's in the phone. It's gonna have a 120Hz refresh rate on the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. Now, one downgrade for the A73 is the lack of a headphone jack. It was on the A72, but Samsung is taking it off on the A73, which I don't really have anything to say about it. We've all just kind of accepted it at this point. It's gonna have a base storage of 8GB of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and will also have a 256GB option. Now, besides those, pretty much every other thing is the same with the A72, including the price. It's gonna start at $599 for the base storage, so it'll be going up against the Pixel 6, which is really tough to beat at that price. Let me know in the comment section which device you're gonna pick for $600, the Galaxy A73 or the Pixel 6. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.